getting the start at H-back, and Ben Smith, number 21, a senior, is starting at the A-back position for the Cougars tonight. Defensively for Christian High School, Andy Hare's defense, the defensive tackles, Charles Kofer, number 50, a junior, and Garrett Tennell, a sophomore, number 69 at nose guard. Number 71, Cameron Dunlop, a freshman, starting tonight for the Eagles. And at defensive end, number 57, Nate Wilson, the lone senior, starting for the Eagles tonight. At linebackers on the outside, number 81, Robbie Wilkinson, and number 15, Blake Thornhill, a junior. On the inside, Josh Myers, number 2, and Mason Burnett, number 7. The Mike linebacker is a sophomore. The corners, number 33, Billy Billings, who is also a senior, by the way, and junior Corey Light, number 17. And at free safety, sophomore, number 23, Logan Logston. We had an opportunity, as we always do, to talk to the coaches prior to tonight's ball game, and let's hear what they have to say. All right, we're going to talk for the next couple of minutes on our pregame show with the head football coach at Christian High School, the Eagles, Andy Hare. Coach, first of all, thanks for being with us. Tell us a little bit about your team this year.
The team, first-year varsity team, so we're really young. We have 13 freshmen and sophomores starting right now, so obviously building for next year. 2-7 thus far, 2-6 thus far, but a lot to build on, I think. So we're looking forward to this game, kind of our crosstown rival.
Who are some of the Eagles we need to watch out for?
Josh Meyer, linebacker. Mason Burnett, linebacker, fullback. Brendan Norwine, our quarterback's having a great year. Billy Billings, our corner, outstanding. Corey Light, the